With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A bulb manufacturing company tests the bulb produced by 4 different machines. The following graph gives the number of bulbs tested that are produced by each machine and the number that are found to be defective. As we can see on y-axis, number of the defective bulbs, and on x-axis, the machines which are producing number of defective bulbs. Okay, and this is for machine number 1. So this orange portion is for, as you can see, the number of bulbs are tested, and the small yellow portion is for the number of defective bulbs. Okay, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4, and scale 1 is given, 1 unit is equals to 20 bulb. Read the graph and answer the following. What percentage of the bulb produced by each of the 4 machine is defective? So basically for each machine portion we need to find the percentage. Okay, so for machine 1, if we are going to talk about machine 1, then as you can see, the defective, each we have to find the bulbs produced by each of the following machine is defective. Like the percentage of defective we need to find. So in first condition, as we can see, here is 4 at the 4, like the yellow portion is at the 4 and the this orange portion is at 50, and as they were saying the scale is 20. That means we need to multiply this by 20 and by 20 again. So this will be equals to 80 by 1000, and then we can easily find out the percentage. 80 by 1000 into 100 for percentage. Zeros cancel, this 0 cancel by this. That means the 8% only bulbs are defective. Okay, and now we are going to talk about for machine 2nd. So in machine 2nd, as we can see, like only 2, it's on unit 2 and divided by 40. So that will be equals to 2 upon 40, and we need to multiply by 20 into 20 because 1 unit is for the 20. Or if we're talking about bulbs, then it will be 40 upon 800. Okay, and then we can find out the percentage easily. 40 by 800 is like the number of bulbs tested, like number of bulb manufactured upon total number of the bulbs tested. Okay, so that is what we are doing in 200 for percentage, and we can directly cancel out. Okay, so in 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, so that will be 5%. That means 5% the bulbs are defective. So basically we are doing here like defective bulbs. We can write it down like this. What we are doing, the percentage defective upon the total test done by the machines. So that's what into 100. So that is how we are find out the percentage from this format. And for machine 3rd, let's come to the 3rd portion. Machine 3 will be equals to machine 3. So as we can see in machine 3rd, only 4, we can see the unit 4 is defective and 60 are total test. So 4 are the 4 upon 60 into 20 upon 20. 4 is the unit for defective bulb, 60 is the unit for total number of tests done. Okay, bulbs tested. Okay, and if you're going to simplify this, it will become 480 and 1200. And for percentage, we can directly multiply this fraction by 100. So 80 upon 1200 cancel, and then 80 upon 12 will be equals to, we can say 12 6 72, and then 80. So 12 7 6.7% of the bulbs are defective in this case. Okay, let's come to the last subpart, which is machine number 4. So in machine number 4, and let's see what the machine number 4 is doing. So total 8 units you can take this, and 60 of, like 50 of them are tested. Okay, so 8 defective bulbs out of 50 according to the graph, and 1 unit is stands for 20, then this will be equals to 160 upon 1000. Okay, and for percentage we can simply divide it, multiply by 100. Okay, so 160 upon 1000 into 100. So 100 cancel, 0 cancel, 60 percentage. That's it.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.